As a crunchy mom, I'm always looking for better alternatives for all of my cleaners. This box comes with 160 loads. That means 160 times that dishwasher can be filled and wash your dishes. All of the ingredients are environment friendly and they decompose quickly. Take one sheet, fold it up, and put it directly where you would put your typical detergent. And just like that, your dishes look good as new, without the giant plastic containers and all the toxins for you and your family. 160 loads for $19. Click the shopping cart below and get yours now.